In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Excel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. You may have heard a lot about artificial intelligence and how it's changing the way we interact with technology, and Microsoft has integrated AI in a powerful way through Copilot in Excel. If you're someone who works with data, analyzes spreadsheets, or simply needs to organize information efficiently, Copilot can be a real game changer for you. So first things first, before you get started, make sure that you have access to Copilot. It's a feature available in the Microsoft 365 subscription. If you have that, you're in for a treat. Launch Excel and open up a blank workbook or any existing workbook in which you want to utilize Copilot. Once you have your workbook open, look toward the top of your screen. You should see the ribbon, which is filled with various tools and functions. If you look closely, you'll find the Copilot icon, usually represented by a small robot or assistant. Click on that icon, and just like that, you're ready to harness the power of AI. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with Copilot. It's designed to assist you in various tasks, from crafting complex formulas to generating charts, summarizing data, and even providing insights. Let's say you have a bunch of sales data for the last quarter. You can ask Copilot for a summary of your top-performing products. Just type in some prompts like, "What are the top 3 products sold last quarter?" and watch as Copilot generates a response based on the data you've inputted. Another fantastic feature is how well Copilot can help with data visualization. If you're unsure of which charts or graphs to use to best display your information, you can prompt Copilot by saying, "Show me a chart for this data." It will analyze the numbers and suggest the most suitable chart types. This makes it so much easier to communicate your findings visually, especially during presentations. Now let's talk about some practical examples. Suppose you have a data set comprised of customer purchases, including information like date, amount, and category. You want to analyze spending trends over time. You can ask Copilot, "Can you give me a weekly breakdown of customer spendings?" And in a few moments, you'll have a clear visual and numerical representation of that data. But that's not all. Copilot can also help streamline data entry and management. If you frequently find yourself creating repetitive reports or organizing similar data sets, you can tell Copilot what you usually do. For example, saying, "I need to create a weekly sales report, like the one from last week," can prompt Copilot to replicate the structure you used, saving you time. Now, let's say you encounter an error with a formula. Instead of struggling through figuring out where you went wrong, just ask Copilot for help. You can phrase your question like, "Why isn't this formula working?" Copilot can help identify issues or suggest changes, turning you into a more confident Excel user. As you continue to explore Copilot's capabilities, don't hesitate to experiment with various types of questions and commands. The more you practice, the more you'll discover just how much it can enhance your Excel experience. And remember, learning how to fully utilize Excel and its features like Copilot takes time. Don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher or some guidance. Practice will make you more proficient. To wrap it up, using Copilot in Excel can dramatically streamline your workflow and improve your productivity. Whether you're analyzing data, generating visual representations, or troubleshooting issues, having an AI assistant at your fingertips really makes a difference. So that's it for today's video on how to use Copilot in Excel. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button